Hello beautiful, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mide, and if you're returning, welcome to my channel. I appreciate that. One of the reasons why I didn't like makeup in the past was because I did not know which is best for my skin tone and my skin undertone. I also did not know how to match foundation and concealer correctly with my skin tone and my skin undertone. I'm happy to say that now I know the secrets to the perfect match of foundation and concealer to my skin and my skin undertone. And if you have been struggling with the same thing, today you're going to understand why makeup look good on some people and not so good on others. There are three fundamental reasons why that is so. Number one is knowing your skin type. Do you have dry skin or oily skin or combination skin? Okay, as for me, I kind of have combination skin. One, because my skin is matured, so around this area of my face with the nose, like T-zone of my face, is kind of oily, and the outer part around my cheek area is dry. Number two is how you take care of your skin, how you nourish your skin, because your skin is like the canvas on which your makeup sits on. If it is not well taken care of, then your makeup is likely not to look good on you. And number three is your undertone. If you don't know your undertone, you are likely to mismatch foundation and concealer. At the end of the day, makeup does not look good on you. So today we are going to be talking about undertone. I'm going to be talking about what undertone is, what type of undertone that we have, and how to match foundation and concealer correctly with your undertone. And then you get to know what to look out for when you want to buy foundation and concealer for your skin undertone. Okay, what is undertone? Undertone is the color underneath the surface of your skin that affects your overall hue. If you are debating between two shades of foundation or concealer, knowing your undertone will help you to determine which one is best for your skin tone without you even trying it on, because this is what will make the foundation or concealer to look more natural on you. There are like three basic types of undertone. There is cool undertone, there is warm undertone, and there is neutral undertone. There are so many ways for you to know your undertone, but I'm going to be talking about three of it. The first one is the vein, the color of your vein. For cool undertone, if the vein on your wrist, if it's of blue or purple or blue and purple color, then you lean towards cool undertone. Okay, and if the color of the vein on your wrist or the inner part of your arm is of green or olive in color, then you lean towards warm undertone. I happens to be warm undertone because the color of my vein is more of green versus olive, sort of like. And if the color of the vein on your wrist is neither of cool undertone or warm undertone, or it could be in between the color meant for cool and warm undertone, that is likely going to be neutral undertone. I'm going to be demonstrating how to determine your skin undertone. I'll be using LA Pro concealer just because it has a wide range of shades. I already have my foundation on. I've sharpened my eyebrow and all that, but you can see that the color on my face is kind of looking like one color, and believe me, it does not really look perfect like this because color on the face is not just one color. Your T-zone area on your face is of lighter color. The same thing is applicable to me. This part of my face is lighter than this part of my face, and it kind of blends with the color on my chest. Okay, so looking at my chest area, it looks more of like yellow to golden hue from that area. As for me, I have warm undertone, and how I discovered this is to match the shades of concealer on your chest area, because that is where kind of match with your with the color on your face area. I hope you're getting what I'm saying. I'm going to be trying out these three shades. I have the espresso, I have fall, and I have toffee. Okay, in the past, like most of the time, I was kind of using toffee, but I knew that somehow it does not really match my undertone. But just because I want the under my eyes to look brighter, I was using it. But then I discovered that the fall color that kind of matches, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I have here with me, sorry, I'll be using this so that I can read the name on the concealer. Is quite tiny. This is fall, this is espresso, and then I have toffee. So now I'm going to blend it out for you to see how it appears on my skin after blending it out. So this is fawn, this is espresso, and this is toffee. Okay, so if I blend this out, see the way it's literally disappeared on my skin. And here I have the espresso. This is very dark. Okay, this is very dark. It kind of matches the outer part of my skin more than the inner part, so it's so dark. And this is toffee. It's light, it's light. It does not match well with my undertone. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to use this that literally disappeared on my skin, which shows that it matched the best on one side of my face, and I'm going to be using this one on the other side of my face for you to see how it will come out, since I already have foundation on. So now I have this is fun. I'm going to be using the toffee. You can see the way it looks. Already it's looking very bright and no shade of golden or yellow tint in it. So it's more of neutral. Though I use it a lot, just whenever I feel like I want to make my under eye to look bright, I kind of use it. But whenever I notice that it's like a bit too white or something, it makes me to look wash out, what I do is to just pat it a bit with this color. You can see now that this kind of looks so white. It doesn't really blend with the skin on my chest, but this kind of blends well. Okay, so fall is like the best shade for my skin undertone for concealer. All right, like right now is the best. So that is how I got to know, because fawn has yellow undertone that blends so well with this part of my body. In Nigeria, it is a bit difficult to try on your makeup at the point of purchase. Like, it doesn't happen in most cases. The way that you can know the concealer product that best matches your skin undertone, for like warm undertone, look out for words yellow, golden brown, golden tan, peach, beige. Okay, for warm undertone, if the product has it on, then it is meant for warm undertone. And for cool undertone, look out for words like rose, porcelain, blush, red, cocoa, sable, pink. Did I mention rose? Yeah, rose. Those words best describe cool undertone. If you see it on the product, on the concealer product that you want to buy, then it is meant for cool undertone. And then for nude undertone, look out for words that says nude, buff, ivory, pearline. These are the words that describe neutral undertone on the product, and it is advisable for you to actually go for product that has wide range of shade. That is why in this video I used LA Pro concealer to like demonstrate how to know your undertone. Okay, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you find one or two things of value in today's video, subscribe to my channel for more video like this. Click on the notification bell to get notified when I upload more videos. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.